Hey everyone, so I got the Planner Society May kit today and I'm going to unbox it for you as I am just opening it myself. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. The color palette is amazing. I've been into brights sometimes lately with my nails because it makes me happy, but these colors are absolutely beautiful. And it's weird because I have some on my nails because I also do my nails, and yeah, I picked these out last night. So I was super excited it kind of matched. So this is the scrunchie. I thought it was the one that what was supposed to come with the last kit, but I have no idea. I don't care. I love it. I'm gonna have to hide it from my kids. And this is a cute, adorable little backpack that it came with. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna pop on some music. Any questions, please let me know. I will have some pictures over on my Instagram probably today. Yeah, so have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.